Hey, this will be a video chart on MWIP, and we will be looking at the 60-minute time frame. So looking at the chart here real quick, if you're not familiar with what 60-minute time frame means, instead of each one of these bars or candlesticks as they are known representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what they would normally do, and which is what you would normally see, each one just represents 1 hour's worth of price action. I wanted to do this time frame because I think it does a better job of showing what's been going on. Real quick, looking at the daily chart time frame here, you can see that really just today was just one massive move upward. So while you can still extrapolate some information from the chart, I think it's a little bit easier to see what's going on and what you want to see happen from the 60-minute here. So first thing I want to point out is just a few different levels of support. And the initial one that's sticking out is definitely an ideal one, meaning ideally this you'd like to see this level hold, but if it doesn't, by no means should you go panic or anything like that. And that level is right here at 2.5 cents, so 0.025. You can see here multiple times the price has been bouncing off of that throughout the day. So if 0.025, that would be the best case scenario for the chart and would make it look, the absolute strongest. But if it doesn't, like I said, no big deal, no need to panic. The next level of support to keep an eye on is going to be right here based on this previous high, which is at 0.023. So 0.023, another level of support. I'll make that line a little bit thicker because it does hold a bit more of significance. But again, you don't have to go jump off any bridges or jump out any windows if the price were to drop below there, because you still do have plenty levels of resistance underneath you. The next level of support, and this one more important, revolves right around this high from all the way back here. You can see at 0.019 was a resistance here, and then you can see resistance a bunch of times here. When the price finally did break above it on this period, you can see that's where the price really exploded. So 0.019 is going to be another level of support. I'm going to make that line the thickest of them all, because if you were to ask me which one's the most important and most significant, it would definitely be the 0.019 level down here. In terms of resistances, pretty straightforward. The high today where the profit takers decided to step in was at 0.0285. So that will be the current level of resistance, but I'm going to leave that line skinny in red because while it is a level of resistance, another nice surge in volume would definitely break above there, not too difficult, and then it's basically back in a blue sky breakout territory. So 0.0285 current level of resistance, but again, skinny line because with another surge in volume, I don't see that level putting up much of a fight at all. So if there are any other questions on the chart, though, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. We've been making some good money together on all our alerts. One more time, this was MWIP. Thanks for listening.